Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing episode number 3 in our How to Make a Game with FPS kit. And today we're going to be talking about adding in new weapon models and stuff like that. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is we're actually going to just be changing the actual model. Cancel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to unpack this prefab here. Because otherwise you can't make very many changes to it. Alright, so first thing, actually, well, not yet. So I'm going to change the axe model, and we'll change it to something like just a little bit better, because this axe is a little bit, actually it's not low quality, it's pretty high quality. So let's go on the asset store, but we want to change it just so it doesn't look like horror FPS kit, so people don't think, oh, it's an asset flipper, oh, it's something that the developer put no work into. You know, you want people to appreciate your game for what it is, and you don't want people to just like think, oh, it's crap because blank. So let's look up axe. Let's look up axe models. Make sure to maximize it, and then we're gonna go down here and we're gonna click free assets. Okay, so we could do this a couple ways. I'm going to replace this one. So this is going to cover two things, replacing and adding in. So we're going to replace the fire axe. And then we're going to add in, let's add in a baseball bat. Alright, let's go to free. Should we have a free bat? Alright, and we're not going to be using any new animations just because this doesn't have any animations. We could make one, I guess, but we don't really need to. So, anyway, so the first thing we're going to do is, all we're going to really do with this is, we're going to select this axe here, and you just want to basically just go ahead and delete. Okay. So all you got to do, delete that, and then we're going to grab this axe here, prefab, fire axe, and we're going to drag this, and we're just going to place this in his hands. Like that. And then, all we're going to do is rotate it to match him. I usually turn gizmos off when I do stuff like this. If you, okay, let's rotate. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Okay, and make sure you set your new item to shut up. Make sure you set your new item to be cam weapon. Yes, change children, and then you see you got that now. That's actually pretty big. Can we shrink that down at all? Okay, now let's check out these animations. Okay, so you're going to notice that this is actually not going to work like that, because it's actually not actually in the axe. So all we have to do is drag this under axe, just like that. And then, that works perfectly. So basically what we're doing here, and you could just delete this and all this stuff, because that doesn't matter. This doesn't really matter. Basically, all it really needs to do is just be under this axe object, because this axe object is what's edited to move with the animation. Or you can also add it to a certain hand. Like if you wanted to add it to like the forearm, you could animate it with that. But then again, you get like cuts like that where it cuts through. So, but the animations that are already here are already animated to work with this. So just put it on there, and then we'll raise it a tiny. Okay, we'll raise it like a little tiny bit, and look at that. Now we have a new axe model. Let's actually go ahead and I kind of want to do this. Okay, and there we go. Let's see the axe attack. Cool. There we go. So now we have a new axe model. Make sure we disable this. After we're done, let's make sure we don't have any variables that are messed up now. And we should be good. So let's actually go ahead and get this here. Put it like this. Let's go ahead, add a mesh collider. Set it to convex. Make sure we turn gizmos on. And I'm going to unpack that. Make sure to delete. You don't need all those colliders, really. Those are just for the thing. And then pick item. What is it? Interactive item. Is that what it is? What is it? Okay, we'll just do axe. We'll just look up axe for the world. Yeah, that's how you do it. It is the interactive item. All I'm going to do, though, is I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to drag this IA axe in. I'm going to click over here. I'm just going to copy this component. I'm going to delete this, and I'm just going to paste it right here. And boom. So now we have a new axe. Maybe. Oh, make sure that you actually go over here and set the layer to interact. Oh, and then turn is kinematic off, otherwise it won't fall. Oh. Okay, we did a couple things here wrong. Okay, make sure you don't do turn is kinematic off, and also use gravity is yes. Collision detection, continuous dynamic, and we should be now. It should interact and be okay. Okay, whatever. Just or actually do a box collider. A box collider is better because it works a lot better with that. So we'll just do a box collider instead, and then it'll work better probably. Okay. Oh, whoops. Make sure you set it to interact. Don't forget that. I did it, but then I Control-Z'd it, I guess. Use gravity. Okay, there we go. So now it's on the floor. We can crouch down, take it, go into our inventory, and it's not there, apparently. Are we missing a... Wait, hold on. What? Hold on. Are we... What just happened? I wonder if there's like a bug here. Axe should be 30. 30. Wait. Okay, now, what? Oh, remove that. There should only be one. I'm stupid. I'm so sorry. That should probably fix it. Maybe. Yeah, that fixes it. There we go. Okay, so ignore that. So there we go, there's that. And now we have... I can get close to the wall. Push back. Alright, so now we have a little bit different of an axe. And a table that's gone. We have... What the frick? I was getting some bugs, so I re-imported HFP. Did I not change that? I thought I did. That's why. Why? Why must you do this? Why is it not unpacked? Oh my lord. We are having issues today. Where is it? Textures. Freak. Okay. It's going to be paper bent. Papers pack. There we are. Okay, there we go. So now we have our new like textured weapon. So now let's go ahead and we'll duplicate this. And then we'll call this, what were we getting again? Baseball bat. We were getting a baseball bat. So we're basically going to import this just like that. And then, again, I realize I sound like an idiot. I kind of am. So bear with me. So, yep, importing iteration. That's one of the annoying things. Okay, baseball bat. We'll name that baseball bat. We're also going to name this baseball bat. And then, okay, we'll go into the scene. Basically, we're just going to take this, we're going to replace it with baseball bat. It's going to be so scuffed. Alright. Alright, let's not do that. Go away. I hate when the canvas gets in the freaking way. Okay. I'm going to copy this and just delete that. What baseball bat do we want to use? The real question. I like that one. Scale it up just a little bit. Alright, this has LODs. So, we're going to unpack completely. We're going to deselect these. We're going to grab this one in particular. We're going to call this, nope. Nope. Baseball bat. Paste component is new. We're going to go ahead and we're going to copy that. Baseball bat. And now we have to edit the inventory ID. So we're going to say we're going to look over here and for the, that's not how you spell inventory. Inventory. So we're going to go to the inventory database. And we're going to add a new item. We're going to call this baseball bat. A baseball bat. And then we're going to say, we'll use a banana for the drop object, pack drop object. Alright, what are we using for the X? IAX. Okay. So we're going to do here, add a box collider, make it a little bit bigger. Alright, I like that. Okay, so now we are going to basically go over here to inventory. We're going to, this is going to be ID number 36. So we're going to want to say ID 36. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click this lock button. We're going to go click on Axe and we're going to click on IAX. Then we're going to drag baseball bat in here. Drop object just like that. Okay. Item settings. Can we just duplicate that one? Oh, we can't. Okay, I lied. We're going to do that instead. Although that needs to be there. So 37. Baseball bat. Baseball bat. And then we'll just banana. Okay, that's all. Okay. If you're curious, I just right-clicked on that and just click duplicate. And go ahead, we'll delete that one. So now we got this perfectly fine and beautiful thing here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our hero player, camera root, mouse look, camera kickback, arms camera, delay effect, arm kickback, item manager, wall detection, Jesus, Okay, we're going to duplicate the axe item. We're going to say baseball bat. Okay, now we're going to unlock this. I think, wait, is it still 37? Okay, well that's 37 apparently, so. I don't know why. Okay, so it's going to be, so we're going to go over here to baseball bat. We're going to enable it. And you're going to notice it's an axe and not a baseball bat. And that's because we haven't made the baseball bat yet. So, we're going to do the same thing we did last time. So it's a little bit different, but exactly the same thing at the same time. We're going to drag this right here onto axe. We're going to look for it, wherever it is. Okay, so it decided to be huge. So we're going to press R, and we're going to scale that down. And we're going to set 0, 0. We're going to scale it down even further. 0, 0, 0. Then we're going to scale it down even further. And then 0, 0, 0. And actually, it's okay. And then we're gonna put it. We're gonna set it to cam weapon again, just like last time. And again, it's a little bit too big, so 0, 0, 0. We'll do that just like that, and then we will scale it just a little bit further down. And then I'm gonna turn down that. Okay, I actually want to see if I can turn the arms, like just like completely like turn them. And then just like delete the right arm, some crap, like 0, 0, 0. That's not gonna work. Okay, let's try. All right. Okay. Anyways, so if you have your own animations, what you're gonna do, I'll just show you what you'll do. So you'll basically want to click on your animations, select them all, click on debug, and then you want to make sure that all of them are set to legacy. You want to drag them into here, and you want to replace the hide, draw, attack, all those. And then you want to go over to this baseball bat here, and then change these to the actual name of your animation. Okay, and then we're going to scroll up here, and then our inventory ID is 37. Okay, so now let's go ahead and play, and if everything works out correctly, we should have it. Okay, well, we forgot to disable the baseball bat. But, so now we should actually be able to walk over to the baseball bat. We didn't set it to freaking, we're stupid. Okay. Make sure you set it to interact again. It's always something I forget. Make sure to set it to interact, and then we'll basically go over here, pick it up. You have whatever, the baseball bat, acquired a baseball bat or whatever. You found one, and then you press 1, and you pull out the axe apparently. What? Oh, that's why. Okay. Then you also want to go over to Items Manager, say 6, and then you want to drag baseball bat into there. All right, and is that everything? I'm pretty sure. Okay, that's all working and perfect. All right, let's just make sure our inventory database is all 37. Description, baseball bat is usable. Use switcher ID. Okay, so the thing, item manager. 6, I think then. It would be 6, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's try that. Is it 7? Out of range. Non-negative. Oh wait, it would be 6. 7. No, it would be 7. Wait a minute. Okay, hold on. Five? There we are. Okay, so it's basically going to be in order. So your first one is going to be 1. Okay, so basically after you add a new equipable item, you're going to add 1 to the switcher. So use switcher ID 4. Then we're going to set this one, new one, to 5. That actually confused me a little bit. I was a little bit confused. I probably could have saw that in the documentation. We see now we have a baseball bat, and we have an axe. We have 1 for the baseball bat, and then press 2, pull out the axe. Alright. Okay, cool. And this is a pretty long video, I feel like. So I'll probably cut that there. I'm gonna re-add the table because that's annoying. Yay, almost. Cool. Okay. Anyways, so yeah. That's gonna be it for today. If you have any questions, do leave a comment asking like what's up. And yeah. Oh, make sure you change this to say equip baseball mat. Cool. Alright, anyways guys, I hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, or requests for what I should do next, make sure to leave it in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, yeah, peace.